Hey gang, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneer, standing beside a very cool car, 1968 ESO Grifo. Some of you are pretty familiar with a great car like ESO. Stunning style and design. It is one of the ultimate mixes, marriages, you might say. American power, 427 under the hood, gives you all kinds of power and stunning Italian coachwork. Bizzarrini penned the coachwork for this car. The ESO Grifo is one of those great marriages of style, design, power, and incredible usability. You don't see these cars around very often, and there's a reason. There weren't a whole lot of them made. And this is just one of only 6 that was made with the Pavesi sunroof. Really rare option, very cool. What you get in a great car like this is incredible usability. These cars are often found on tours in Europe, sports car tours here in the USA. It's a car that gets you invites to events all over the globe. Fantastic car, the restoration is excellent, and as you look at the colors, stands out. It's a fantastic road-going car. If you're in the market for an ESO Grifo, this is the ultimate design, style, perfected almost, you might say, for the industry. Come and see us at Auburn Auction, Labor Day weekend. This car and a ton of other great ones. See you there.